Hi, do you wish to delete your Google account on iOS but don't know how to do it? Lucky you, I'll help you with that. I'm going to teach you how to delete Google account permanently on iOS. First, open Safari. Go to google.com. Make sure your account is signed in. Tap your account on the upper right and click Manage Your Account. Search for Privacy and Personalization and click Manage Your Data and Privacy. Scroll down until you can find the Delete Your Google account. You need to enter your password to verify it's you. Read carefully the message from Google. And if you're ready, click the two boxes that you confirm that you agreed and want to delete your Google account. And click the Delete Account button. That's it. Easy, right? Thank you for watching.